Now the investigations in case of pancreatitis. So the HB is low because of the hemorrhage and bleeding. So there is intraperitoneal hemorrhage and bleeding that will result in low HB, that is low level of the hemoglobin, or that there could be anemia also. So there is low hemoglobin, so hemogram is done. Then there is low serum amylase. So low serum amylase in case of pancreatitis. So there are proteins are also low, especially albumin. Then blood urea and creatinine are also investigated. Blood urea and creatinine to check for any to check any anomaly present in the kidney, to check कि कोई renal related problem तो नहीं है, renal dysfunction तो नहीं है, तो उसके लिए blood urea and creatinine करेंगे. Then albumins are low, proteins कम है. Then there is hypocalcemia. Calcium is also low because calcium is combining with the fatty acids to form the calcium soaps. So calcium is getting utilized. So there is low calcium level, hypocalcemia. We have seen the etiology. In etiology there is hypercalcemia. Hypercalcemia because of the hyperparathyroidism. When there is hyperparathyroidism, that will lead to the more production of the calcium, hypercalcemia. This is the causative factor for pancreatitis. But in this disease, the calcium is being taken up. It is getting utilized to form calcium soaps. So there will be low level of calcium. Calcium use होता जाएगा तो calcium जो है blood में वो कम होता जाएगा. So there is hypocalcemia. Then blood urea and creatinine are also checked. Then albumin level, especially the proteins, are also less. Then there is glycosuria. So blood sugars are also checked. Blood sugar levels are also checked in investigations. Then plain X-ray is also done, where there is sentinel sign, sentinel loop sign is positive, then this is the confirmatory sign for pancreatitis. In sentinel loop sign, in X-ray there will be a dilated loop of jejunum. Dilated loop of jejunum will be seen at the region of pancreas during the plain X-ray. So during the plain X-ray there will be a dilated loop, one loop of jejunum will be seen at the region of pancreas. This is the sentinel loop sign. Then ultrasound, CT scan are also done. अगर कोई इंटेस्टाइनल ऑब्स्ट्रक्शंस है, एब्डोमेन में कोई ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन है, कोई बिलियरी ट्री में कोई स्टोन है, या accumulation of fluid है due to any formation of protein plugs, as we have seen that trypsinogen will cause to the formation of leads to the formation of protein plugs that will obstruct, and that obstruction will leads to the accumulation of the fluid in the abdomen. तो अगर कोई obstruction हो रहा है, या फिर edema of the pancreas है, head of the pancreas, या stone है biliary tree में, that will be visible in CT scan and ultrasound. So in investigations, the blood sugar levels are checked, blood urea and creatinine is checked, then X-ray and ultrasound and CT scan is also done. In treatment, Antibiotics are given if there is fever or secondary infection, or there is formation of pancreatic abscess, if there is abscess in the pancreas. So the prophylactic antibiotics are given to treat that abscess, and if that medicines don't work, so the antibiotics are given. And if these antibiotics don't work, there is no resolution of the fever, fever is not coming down, and still the symptoms persist and the infection is there. So the drainage of the abscess is done and laparotomy is done. So drainage and laparotomy. Then beside this, to treat the pain, narcotics are given to treat the pain. Painkillers and narcotics are given. Then somatostatin is given to suppress the levels of pancreatic enzymes or pancreatic secretions. Somatostatin is given. Then protein level is very much decreased. So plasma is given along with albumin. And if there is any derangement or dysfunction of the kidneys, so if there is renal failure or there is improper function of the kidneys, that will lead to hypotension and shock. So hypotension and shock are treated by giving the plasma to the patient and by giving the albumin, and the other vitals are also checked. Beside this, Ryle's tube aspiration. If there is accumulation of the fluid in the abdomen, that will lead to the distension of the abdomen and abdominal pain. So Ryle's tube aspiration. Ryle's tube aspiration is also done. And if there is any dysfunction of the or improper functioning of the kidneys, and to treat the renal perfusion or to increase the renal perfusion, then there is low molecular weight dextrone and dopamine is given to the patient to treat or to increase the renal perfusion. Laparotomy is done when there is the abscess present in the pancreas.